hope you like my recipe because today I'm preparing for you amazing lunch recipe. A lot of people ask me how reducing belly fat, and my answer this: best exercise for reducing belly fat in the kitchen. So eat properly, eat healthy, join my recipe, taste my recipe, and of course regular exercise. This is very important and will be result very soon. So today I'm preparing for you amazing lunch recipe. High protein and low calories, will be like all of your family. For this recipe we need these ingredients. Main ingredients: chicken breast. A lot of people think in chicken breast this is very dry and tastes less, but I will show you today this is not real. So this will be very tasty and mazedar. More ingredients what we need for this. This is yogurt, Greek yogurt, this, onion, mozzarella cheese. You remember, yes, for cheese we need only or cottage cheese or mozzarella. This we can eat for carry your body. Little bit oil, garlic, and different masala and salt, what you like for chicken. So first what we should do, this is cut chicken breast. No need to do very small, because it will be dry and not tasty. We complete this, we open fire for our pan. Only few times. Then we need onion. And fry onion. So I think onion enough. Now we put down our main product. This is chicken breast. Also every time I think you know, so chicken breast, this is main product for all sportsmen, for all athletes, for all people who care about their body weight, because low fat, high protein, low calories. This is main product for my nutrition. We are minimum fry this. All this recipe without rice, near 200 calories. This is not low, but this is good for lunch. So our chicken start little bit fry. This is enough. And now we put water. We can close this. And little bit waiting when chicken will be preparing full. So when we are ready for chicken, we need little bit time for this. We're preparing sauce. This is yogurt and garlic. Salt, pepper. This is curry masala. Especially for chicken, very good tasty. Mix this. And more mozzarella. Little bit olive oil for color, for shining, for texture. If you don't want, if you're not important texture, you can not use olive, because olive increasing calories of this dish. Our sauce ready. And I think our chicken also ready. Chicken we also need salt, pepper. Enough time for veggie. Wow, look for this color. White and green. Now all this product will be friendship and very soon will be complete. Long time no need cook peas because all vitamins and minerals will be gone. Our products all together friends now, friendship, so we can close fire. And without fire, we put this our sauce. All. Also good mix this. Put this our last mozzarella. Now our chicken with yogurt ready and time for service. I will show you one life hack. Doing rice in this small bowl. Come back and we have beautiful form for this. This is brown rice. Of course you can use white rice also. But brown rice have a lot of mineral and vitamins what very good for your health, for your hair, for your skin, for your nails. So better option, this is brown rice. Now time for our sauce. Look how it's looking yummy. 𝘄𝗶𝘁𝗵. And last step, beautiful, amazing greens. This is today's recipe. I hope you will like this. 𝘄𝗶𝘁𝗵.